Is my furnace producing no heat? If your furnace is not producing heat, it could be due to several potential issues. Here is a guide to troubleshoot the problem. 1. Check the thermostat. Ensure the thermostat is set to heat and the temperature is higher than the current room temperature. Check if the thermostat has power. Replace batteries if needed. 2. Inspect the power supply. Make sure the furnace is receiving power. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box for tripped breakers or blown fuses. Some furnaces have a power switch. Confirm it is turned on. 3. Pilot light or ignition system. For older furnaces with a pilot light, ensure the pilot is lit. If it's out, follow the manufacturer's instructions to relight it. For modern furnaces, check the electronic ignition system for errors. 4. Dirty air filter. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow, causing the furnace to overheat and shut down. Replace the filter if it's dirty. 5. Gas supply issues. If your furnace is gas-powered, make sure the gas valve is open. Check with your gas provider to confirm there are no service interruptions. 6. Blower motor or belt problems. If you hear the furnace running but no air is blowing, the blower motor or its belt could be faulty. 7. Clogged condensate line. High-efficiency furnaces may shut down if the condensate drain line is clogged. 8. Faulty limit switch. The limit switch may prevent the furnace from producing heat if it detects overheating. This requires professional servicing. 9. Dirty or malfunctioning burners. Inspect burners for dirt or corrosion that could prevent proper ignition. 10. Call a professional. If none of the above resolves the issue, it's best to contact a licensed HVAC technician to diagnose and fix the problem safely. Keeping up with regular maintenance can help prevent heating issues and ensure your furnace operates efficiently.